In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a page in Dorik. By the end, you'll know how to make a button take visitors exactly where you want them to go, using a clean, reliable setup inside the Dorik builder. Start by opening your browser and heading to Dorik's login page. Sign into your account with your preferred method. If you use Google, simply choose your Google account when prompted. After you're in, go to your dashboard, open the site you want to work on, and enter the builder by selecting Edit Site. Next, decide where you want the button to send people. In this walkthrough, we'll link to a specific section on the same page, which is great for smooth in-page navigation like jumping to pricing, features, or contact. Click to select the section you want to land on. With that section selected, look to the right side settings panel and open the advanced area. Expand HTML selectors. In the HTML ID field, assign a unique descriptive ID, something short and clear like pricing, features, or contact us. Avoid spaces and special characters. Hyphens are fine, and lowercase is a good habit. Copy the exact ID you just entered because you'll paste it in a moment. Now select the button that will act as your link. Click the button on the canvas so its settings appear. In the right panel, open the General tab and find the button link controls. Open the link type dropdown and choose section since we're linking to a section on the current page. A field will appear for the section ID. Paste the exact ID you copied earlier. Getting the ID exactly right matters because Dorik uses it to scroll to the correct spot. Give it a quick test in preview. Click the button and the page should smoothly jump to the section you targeted. If it doesn't, double check that the ID on the section matches perfectly and that you assign the ID to the section itself rather than to a nested block. It also helps to keep IDs simple and unique to avoid conflicts. That's all there is to it. You signed in, opened your site, selected the destination section, gave it a unique HTML ID, then connected your button by choosing section as the link type and pasting that ID. This method keeps your site clean, fast, and easy to maintain, and it creates a polished navigation experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy building in Dorik.